Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game not working, crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. First fix, restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check. Fix 2. Log out and log in. Log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and account, other sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Fix 3. Switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. Also, you can restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4. Switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one works for you. Fix 5. Rebuild database on PS5. Power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database. OK. Now launch Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6. Restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7. Disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to delete the game data and cache. But please take a note, you must back up the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data, game/app settings, select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage delete. Choose Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game and then select delete. OK. Now restart your console and then try to launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. Go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. In the primary DNS, enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS, enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit on OK. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK. Now you can go ahead, launch the game again and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game to SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game not working, crashing or crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.